Let's talk about what not to expect in the course. This course is level 1 course, and I'm assuming here that you are having a passion and the excitement to learn data science. So even if you are a beginner in Python, ideally you should have a little bit understanding of data types, data structure in Python, and it's great if you are comfortable with some of the NumPy function, but it is not mandatory. If you are starting it today with this course, then also it is fine. I will explain all those things which are used in this course in great details, the data types and how you can create lists and dictionary and all those things. But you should not expect me to cover in great detail about the Python data structure, Python programming concepts like how to write functions, loops and oops concept and all those things. This course is focused on Python pandas. You will be able to understand even if you are starting your journey today, or you will be able to understand if you are already familiar with Python but you want to sharpen your pandas skill. Secondly, this course is pandas for analytics. So you will start your first step into analytics where you will see how you can explore your data. If you have a data set in the form of Excel or CSV file, and what is the first step you should do, how you should look at your data, whether you have valid entries or not, whether your data is clean or not. If your data is not clean, how you would go to fill up the missing values and how you would create charts to get insight from the data, what kind of a statistical summaries you will generate. If you want to filter your data based on some condition for selected columns or for selected rows, how you can do that. So we will see all those things. We will also see if you have data sets in multiple formats. For example, you want to get insight about sales in your company and you have different Excel sheets, so different data sets where you have different information about your customer. One data set talks about customer demographics and their past purchases. Another data frame talks about the customer's interest and their online transactions, where they do transaction, how much amount they spent on a particular thing. Some data set talks about the customer's social media platform, which will help you to understand customers' hobbies or what kind of purchases he has made in recent years and how he makes it. So we have different data sets which gives us different insights about the customers, and we want to club some of the data sets to make a meaningful data set from which we can get more insight about a particular objective which we are trying to analyze. Then we might need to combine those data sets. To combine those data sets also, there are different things we need to think about. We need to combine the data sets row wise or column wise. We need to combine the data set based on a particular column, or what kind of joins we would like to perform. So those things we have discussed in the course, but this course will not discuss about predictive analytics or machine learning. This course will not give you detailed discussions of how you can predict the outcome, how you can classify the outcome into particular categories. So predictive analytics, machine learning and data science algorithms comes later in the journey. Once you get familiar with one tool and you have some business insight or your domain knowledge which helps you to understand predictive analytics. If you want to do predictive analytics and machine learning, we are not covering that in that course, but we can create a separate course of that where we will be creating machine learning foundations and foundations of predictive analytics, and we will see how to do those in Python. And there are many other tools to do those things. So this course is not a course of machine learning or data science, but this course is a stepping stone to machine learning or data science. So if you are comfortable with those things, you will be able to easily understand other important libraries like for data visualization, matplotlib, seaborn, and there are many for interactive data visuals also. And for machine learning, scikit-learn, XGBoost, there are many other libraries. But this course will give you an insight how you write Python code and how you get insight just by using Python pandas. So if you are an Excel user, if you have not done coding before, then too by learning this course, you will be able to get more insight from your data. If you are using R or SQL or some other tool, then to this course will help you to get started your Python journey. If you are planning to do data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning later, then to this course will help you to understand Python language and how it works. So see you there in the course. Thank you.